Alright, video blog check everybody, Azrael here. Nagbalik tayo sa studio natin after a very long travel. At ito, we're doing a quick unboxing. At we're here. We have some stuff from Realme Philippines. Maraming salamat kay Realme. At tuloy na natin itong unboxing. But first, they sent a box set. This is the Realme FanFest 2025 gift set box. I think it's for a media or maybe a giveaway for their fans. Kasi the last August, since August kasi nasa travel ako, they launched a month-long campaign itong Realme Fest. At nag-organize sila ng nationwide songwriting contest at some activities. So na-miss out ko yun, no? Kasi nasa Palawan ako for 14 days. At ito, they set a Realme FanFest 2025. I'm going to unbox it right now for you to see ano ba meron nito. No? So, ito na. Open na natin. Actually, nakita ko na to. Nakita ko lang ulit sa inyo. So, I got a nice goodies. And I can see a hoodie and a headset. So, inside the box is merong notes. Dito, sabi to, are you ready? Hindi, ibang ano to. Ito ba yun? Yeah. Are you ready to live for real? So it's a teaser of the it's an invitation actually for the Realme 15 series launch. Ito baka sa kabilang box ito napunta dito. Anyway, here's the Realme FanFest thank you card being part of the campaign. So ayan, so sana nakatulong ako sa inyo, no? Since whole month of August wala ako dito sa Luzon, sa Manila. And first, they sent a nice hoodie. Nice hoodie. Sana kasya sa akin, no? And it has a logo here. Realme, make it real. Ito na, kasi launching na mamaya ng Realme 15 eh. So ito na kaya suotin ko mamaya, no? Sa event. So, ayan. May bago tayong hoodie. Pag hindi kasya, pamigay na natin to. Giveaway natin. And, also this is very interesting. Ay, gusto ko talaga magkaroon nitong headset na merong noise cancelling effect. So, ayan. So, thank you kay TechLife. Kasi TechLife is part of Realme. So, ayan. Gagamitin natin yan for our travels. Gusto ko na siyang gamitin actually. Pero syempre, we'll do an unboxing video. So, thank you so much, Realme. Realme FanFest 2025. Na-miss ko tong activities nyo. Parang nag-launch sila with the Juans daw, nag-perform yata somewhere. So, ayan. So, this is the gift box. So, maraming salamat. Also, nagpadala sila ng cake sa akin. No? Maraming salamat sa inyo. And, kasi nag-birthday ako ng yung July eh. And another one here is ito na yung Realme 15, the bagong phone ni Realme. And they have a collaboration with Fujifilm Instax at Holyland. Parang, wow. Saan ka nakakita ng smartphone na may collaboration with Fujifilm at Holyland? It means that it is for content creation. So I'm very interested to know, to use the phone, no? Since launching na siya mamayang gabi, pupunta tayo doon ngayon. At, ito yung laman niya. May gulay. Check out the gift box set. Ang lupet. Realme 15 phone, Instax printer, Holyland, wireless microphone, and a Fujifilm film for the Instax. At ito yung thank you note niya. Napasabang sa kabilang box. So yun nga, it's an invitation for the Realme 15 launching mamayang gabi in Shangri-La Ballroom. So this is strictly invited for sa mga media tsaka sa mga brand partners. So may dress code dito tsaka RSVP. So okay, nagawa ko naman to since I was in Palawan during that pinadala nila to. So, buting tingin na natin, no? So first, this is the Realme smartphone. Sana merong Realme 15 Pro, no? But this is, I think this is the basic one, Realme 15. I'll be unboxing this para magamit ko na rin din mamaya sa mga events later para magamit natin yung camera niya. And also they have a Sentinel collaboration with Fujifilm Instax. So ito siya. Not a camera but a printer. So I'll be using this phone to print out some good photos here and using this Instax film. Marami akong Instax dito, yung nakikita nyo sa likod eh. So, it's Mini-Link 3. Kasi yung akin kasi is Mini-Link 2. Tama-tama pala, bago na naman tayo Instax. And also, itong kailangan ko. Actually, kabibili ko lang ng bagong wireless microphone sa isang friend ko. Binenta niya yung microphone niya for 500 pesos. Pinatulan ko na kasi I need a new microphone to change this, but syempre the quality kailangan ma-match niya. And I am very confident that the Holy Land Lark A1 can do this. Baka ito na yung magiging microphone ko in the future. Unboxing na natin to para magamit ko na at ma-collaborate natin with the Realme 15 smartphone. So, ang ganda ng collaboration. Grabe. Ang ganda ng collaboration na to. It's a content creation machine na with the Realme Philippines new smartphone. So, wala pa akong alam dito sa phone na to, but very interesting specs na nakikita ko. No? I'll be doing unboxing right after the event launch mamayang gabi. So, expect a video tomorrow. So, i-upload ko na dito para makita nyo. No? That's quick update. No? So, maraming salamat kay Realme Philippines for this stuff na pinamigay ninyo. Sobrang saya. At I'm very happy na I think mga 2 years na rin tayo nagko-collaborate with Realme. No? So, ayun, thank you guys for watching. Attend na muna ako ng event. I'll be going to SM North. Sobrang layo for another tech event. So, kita-kits tayo. And thank you guys for watching. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. So, yun. Balik na tayo sa studio. Medyo messy na studio. Kasi galing tayo sa Palawan, Siargao at Dinagat. At mag-aayos ako, tsaka magpapagupit rin ako ng vlog. Alright, kita-kits. And bye-bye.